see if it fits the holes. Perfect. No problem. But this one adds some weight on it, so kind of bends these frame rails, kind of bent them down. So I'm not going to have this on there when I'm tacking those. I put it on after I tacked it. That way I get these leveled. I already checked it. The body is perfectly horizontal, leveled, and these spots here, they're also leveled. So just tack this in place now, so it can't move. And then we start put on the fender to see under here if my plan of doing that, if it will interfere with the fender or not. Okay, attack this so it doesn't move around a lot. Let's put the fender on there. Got one fender bolt. Got to open the door, get the fender behind this. Grip there. Perfect. This is what it looks like. I'm going to build that 850 frame rails, extend it out where you attach the bumper reinforcement, make it extra strong here in the front. And also, I was worried about this, that was going to be in the way for the fender, but it's not. That's perfect. But this is, like I said, this is later from when I have it in the rotisserie, so I can replace the rocker panels and build it up here around the fender. But that's great that it was clearance in there. So let's remove the fender and start building this up. This is what it looks like now. I even made a reinforcement here from the 850 frame. It's got a reinforcement that I cut off here. So I extended a little bit. Now I'm going to do the outer skin. See how that turns out. Well, that's it. Now this is gonna be on the back burner for a while. I finished the extension here from the 850 frame to the bumper on the 460 on both sides. I also made on the inside. That one's gonna be boxed in. I'm not finished completely with it. I welded all this from outside and inside. The support, strut tower support here, welded. Inside, it's dark in here. I finished welding on the inside and this one here finished. So next on the agenda is I'm gonna make a rotisserie so I can turn it around. So I'm not buying one, they're too expensive. So next video is not gonna be on this project. It's gonna be on making a rotisserie and attach the car to it. So it might take a couple of weeks because I only do this on the weekends. So then you know why it's not gonna come any videos on the 460 project for a while. But as soon as I get it up in the air so I can turn around, then we continue with the rear end. Getting these rear frame rails on here, that's going to be interesting because it's a little bit wider than the 460 frame rails. So we'll see how we're going to figure that out. But like I said, I need it on the rotisserie first so I can get it sideways and upside down, because I want it upside down when I put the rear 850 frame rails on it, so I don't have to hold it. I can just lay it on top and see where it lands and what I need to do. So stay tuned, more to come, but first making a rotisserie. Thanks for watching, bye bye.